Here's a payout I received for utilizing a Google tool for 30 minutes. Yes, it's true. This is a large amount of money. In order to get these kinds of outcomes and receive large sums of money, all you have to do is to follow this video. I received a hefty compensation for applying the technology that I'm going to demonstrate to you for just 30 minutes of labor. Now, using the tools which I am going to tell you today, you can earn more or less than this, or you may earn the same or little less than this. But I can tell you one thing, if you don't follow the precise methods outlined in this video, you will not be able to get the same outcomes as demonstrated here. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now we have some idea that what it could be. Let's go on to the next 3 phases. Now that you've learned the prelude of 3 stages to earning $255 per hour with Google Translate, I'll show you how to use this Google tool to generate income. In the second phase, I'll be going to show you the top 3 websites that will pay you a lot of money. And in the last, I'll be going to demonstrate my $1,000 per day pilot system to you. However, it will be a bonus at the conclusion of the game, so be sure to stick with this video all the way to the conclusion. This is the Google Translate tool, which you can open in the Google. This tool will not be paying you right away. Rather, you will be employing this technology on the 3 websites that I am going to show you in this presentation. In addition, these 3 websites are rated from the lowest earning to the most paying, so be sure to read the whole list. But the best part about this tool is that you may access it easily on Google at any time. And the best part of this tool is that you press the mic button, it will type automatically anything it will listen. This is referred to as transcribing. As a matter of fact, you can transcribe from English to Spanish using this application, as well as from Spanish to English and a variety of other languages, hundreds of different languages. Now you can comprehend that this tool is really effective for all intents and purposes. It will record whatever you will say. And there are companies out there that will pay you to transcribe everything you hear. So you don't have to worry about doing the job yourself, since Google Translate will take care of it for you. Furthermore, it is entirely free, so you won't have to put up any effort to earn the money you'll be making. Instead, you can sit back and let Google Translate do all of the work. The first website that I'll talk about isn't the highest paying website. In fact, it's the lowest paying website. However, it's the one that will get you started. Simply go to the GoTranscript.com, where you'll be paid 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute. Working with this website, you can earn $150 on an average monthly income. But you can maximize your monthly income to $1,215 if you are fully utilizing your abilities. If you use this program with your full intellectual strength, you will be acquiring the maximum output possible and complete as many of these transcribing assignments as you possibly can accomplish in the time available. As a result, with this instrument, it will be easier to get the maximum monthly revenues. Again, there are better earning websites out there, which I will discuss with you as well. But GoTranscript, this is the one with which you're going to get started, particularly with an additional $1,000 a month in your pocket. This is an excellent place to start if you're looking for a side job or anything you can turn into a little source of additional cash. So you'll have to do now is click on the Apply Now button for this position. This is all which is required of you. You may get started right now by visiting GoTranscript.com. They provide transcribing jobs from home, allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home and get consistent payment. You will be paid on a weekly basis, so that's incredibly great of you. This is in contrast that you are paid bi-weekly in a conventional 9-to-5 job. You receive a paycheck every 2 weeks, but Transcript.com will be paying you out straight to your PayPal account every single week. Thus, you won't have to be concerned about your money not being delivered to you in a timely manner. It will be provided to you immediately, and you will be able to work flexible hours and as much or as little as you like. As a result, if you have much spare time throughout the day, For those who have a complete day available and just want to earn money for the entire day, this is also an option for them. Choose your project, get excellent assistance, develop your skills, keep yourself occupied, and simply enjoy these transcribing tasks using the application that I discussed. As a result, this is an excellent site to start with. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to use the like button and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? The next website is even more impressive. Gmr Transcription Com is the name of this service. Now this site is more lucrative. The founder of this website says on his LinkedIn page that our major objective is to provide the best level of client satisfaction possible via the provision of precise transcription and translation services. As a result, many organizations, including large corporations, flock here to find transcribing work. So you know in order to get things translated or just to acquire the text from the videos. To begin with, you'll head up to Careers and then click on it to begin your search, and it will take you to the next page. And you will see there that this firm collaborates with thousands of companies like McDonald's, AT&T, Levi's, Dell, and Amazon, among many others. When you will click on Careers, it will take you to the page where it reads, Transcribe Better, Earn Better. According to the information on this page, it says that our transcriptionists regularly make between $1,000 and $3,000 each month. Okay, so you're now getting $3,000 from this site, plus another $1,000 or so from the other site, for a total of $4,000 in earnings. The last site I'm going to show you pays out considerably more than this one. There is a little more we will discuss about the Gmr Transcription Com. So this is fantastic, since you can just click and apply generic transcription to Spanish transcription, as this is a fact that you will be compensated considerably more for the Spanish transcription. But the good thing is that you do not need to know Spanish. Instead, you may use Google Translate, which allows you to transcribe in both English and Spanish. So that's extremely awesome. There are no fees or prior experience required, and there is continuous growth and learning. Additionally, there is work from home flexibility, and that you can even watch the success stories of the people has made hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month doing this. Moreover, you can observe that there are a large number of individuals who are making a living and loving their transcribing work. It's quite okay for you to submit an application here, and it's a fantastic way to get things started. Now, the final site is the greatest site available, as well as the most recognized transcribing service available, and it's Rev Com. This is where a lot of people and companies spend thousands of dollars on transcription tasks. When you will join this site, you could have been on the receiving end of what individuals and companies would have been paying for. They charge the highest rates because they have extremely quick turnaround times, and they do transcriptions for YouTube videos, promo videos for videos that people running for advertisements, among other things. And you're aware that they're attracting larger companies to their site. If you want to work for companies like CBS, Viacom, PBS, and other large corporations that come to this site for transcribing services, you may apply on this site to become a transcriptionist. Now they charge $1.25 per minute for domestic subtitles, and they charge considerably more for international subtitles, ranging from $3 to $7 per minute. As you can see, this may mount up in a very short period of time. In order to find freelance opportunities, you'll need to click on Careers. As a result, you may find freelance opportunities, work from home with Rev, and make money transcribing or captioning videos from home. As a result, you may work from the comfort of your own home from anywhere in the world. All you need is Google Translate, a computer, or even your mobile phone to do the task. You may design a work schedule that is flexible every single day. You may select from hundreds of tasks, work as much as you like, and be paid weekly. You will get weekly payments through PayPal for all work completed at Rev Com, and you can choose from hundreds of projects every single day, and it is really impressive. Here, transcriptionists earn between 30 cents and $1.10 per minute, while captioners make between 54 cents and $1.10 per minute, as per their schedule of payments. Alternatively, if you scroll down to the more recent foreign language, subtitler, $1.50 to $3 per minute will be shown. So that's what you're planning to do, because you do not need to be fluent in any more languages. As long as Google Translate is performing the heavy lifting for you, you may earn a substantial income. This company has been highlighted in publications such as Penny Hoarder, Forbes, and Business Insider. This is a completely legitimate website to start with in order to make some additional money. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.